Thank you for coming back to Food the Kids Love. And today we're gonna make a special sandwich, breakfast sandwich that my two kids really enjoy. So if you can see here, we have the ingredients. The ingredients, you can get all the ingredients in Walmart. That's where I go and shop my stuff. So now what we're going to do, we're gonna start making the preparation. So we're gonna use, in this one, we're gonna use bread. We're gonna use 2 eggs. We're gonna use 2 pieces of cheese, bologna, and of course our condiments for our sandwich. Okay, so let's get started. Well, thank you for coming back, and let's get this thing started. Okay, so very first one, we're gonna cook the bologna. We're gonna put a little bit of oil on our pot right here, or this little thing. We're gonna put a little oil and we're gonna cook this. Yeah, so that way it makes it a little warm. Okay. We're gonna wait for this thing to get going. In the meantime, we're gonna whisk the eggs, okay? So that way we get ready for our omelet. So we're gonna put 2 eggs. Some people prefer 1 egg, depending on how hungry you are, but I know my kids are very hungry and they like to eat good stuff. So I'm gonna whisk it. I'm gonna make like we're doing some omelet. Now the beauty of this sandwich is that you can actually put all kinds of ingredients. Okay? But I like vegetables, I like ingredients like that. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of that because I like to give it some flavor. As you can see, this thing's already getting hot. I'm going to turn it around, and I'm going to lower down the flame. Okay, so I'm going to whisk it again, and I'm going to put my 2 breads on the toaster. I'm going to wait for that to done. Once I'm done with the bologna, I'm going to put it back in a plate. Okay? And I'm going to grab a little piece of towel, because we don't want our bologna to be too greasy. Okay? So I'm going to take the grease out of the bologna. Both sides, although the grease is the best thing. Gives a lot of flavor. And now I'm going to whisk my egg. I lower down the temperature because I don't want my thing to be too hot. And I'm going to put it in here. Now, like I said, I don't like to put salt, because if I put salt, I already have cheese going into the egg, and I already have bologna, and they're already salty enough, so I just skip the salt altogether. So I kind of burst the bubbles on the egg. Okay. So I wait. As you can hear, my bread is already done. And I'm gonna wait for that. And the very first condiment I'm gonna put is mayo. No, not mustard. I'm gonna put mustard in there. Okay. I'm waiting for the eggs to cook, and you can see I can move it around. Some people are fancy where they can flip the omelet in the air, right? Am I to the point? Probably not. Yeah. But one of these days I'm going to be to that point. So I have this special spatula which helps me out. It doesn't want to. And I flip it. Once I flip it, I'm going to put my bologna, I'm going to cut it in half. I'm going to put it in here. I'm going to put the cheese right here. And I'm going to flip my omelet like a regular omelet, and I'm going to let it cook. Okay? And I'm going to start doing the preparations over here. Okay, so I'm almost done with my eggs. Okay, so I let it cook. I'm gonna make a sandwich. I'm gonna put some mayo or Miracle Whip. Some people Miracle Whip. Today I only have Miracle Whip. I like mayo. Okay. And I'm gonna flip my other egg. And we're almost done, guys. You see how delicious this is becoming? It's really good, huh? So now we're gonna finish this. I'm gonna cut it in half, and I'm gonna give it to the two people that are gonna see if they're gonna like this or not. Okay? So I wait until this is done. A few more seconds, you know, and make sure that the cheese is, you know, melted, because that's important. Cheese gotta be melted. Okay? And it's kind of giving me an indication that it's melting. So I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna put it on the sandwich. And last but not least, the number one ingredients that kids love is ketchup. Right? Okay. And here it is. We have a sandwich. And I'm going to cut it in half. And I'm going to give it to the last kids. The two kids are going to test my sandwich, okay? And here's a picture of the sandwich, how it looks. So you can see. Okay. Well, now we're going to do the testing. And let's see how our kids do it, okay? Okay, guys. So how you guys like this breakfast sandwich?
Okay, let's try it.
Okay.
Make me another one.
Make you another one though. We're gonna.
It's delicious.
It's delicious candy. The dad's breakfast sandwich, huh? Excellent. 2 eggs. It's an omelette with cheese, bologna, and a sandwich.
And you can see the cheese right here, it's melted.
Oh yeah.
So good.
It kind of it melts in your mouth, huh?
I never wait till it cools down.
The idea of this sandwich came from eating too much of this stuff. So I'm just gonna put it in.
You
here.
made me another one?
So this is just an idea. So which one is better, guys? Can't compare the
This
quality.
one better.
Yep.
Because this one, no, the ham, it's just hard to bite off.
Chewy, huh? Made out of microwave compared to made out of the. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe and like the video. And you can get the recipe on our website, where we're building a website. And all the ingredients, you can buy it at Walmart. Easy. That's so easy.
Easy as pie.
It's like all these flavors dancing in your mouth.
Oh, dancing. Oh, wow. Well, thank you. And see you next at Food the Kids Love. Give us a like and subscribe.
I was so hungry.